In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of a custom cursor resetting every time you reboot your computer. If you've customized your cursor on your Windows 10 machine only to find it reverts back to the default after a restart, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and solve this frustrating problem once and for all. First, you'll want to open the control panel on your computer. This is an essential hub for making all sorts of system adjustments, including those related to your mouse settings. You can easily access the control panel by typing Control Panel into your search bar and selecting it from the results. Once you're there, look for the option that says Hardware and Sound. Clicking on this will lead you to a new set of options specifically designed to help you manage your hardware devices, including your mouse. Within the Hardware and Sound section, you'll find the mouse link. Clicking on this will open up the Mouse Properties window. In the Mouse Properties window, you'll want to navigate to the Pointers tab. This is where you can see different cursor options and make any relevant changes. Take some time here to review the available cursor schemes, ensuring you're in the right place for the adjustments you want to make. At this point, make any custom cursor changes you desire. Whether you're selecting a different cursor or adjusting the appearance of an existing one, this is where you personalize your visual settings. Once you're happy with your selections, be sure to click the Apply button to implement these changes. But don't stop there. Next, you need to click Save As. This step is crucial because it allows you to save your customized cursor settings as a new theme. By saving it under a distinct name, you ensure that these adjustments can be easily applied and remembered by your system. Following that, give your new theme a unique name. It's a simple step, but an important one, as it distinguishes your custom settings from the default options and any other themes you might create in the future. Once you've entered the name, click OK to save everything you've done. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully configured your system to remember your custom cursor settings even after a reboot. It's a straightforward yet highly effective solution to the pesky problem of resetting cursors. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let others know. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your personalized cursor experience.